Hello, I am Dr. Saurabh Patwadhan from Nandadeep Eye Hospital, Sangli, India, and FECO Training Center. We all have enjoyed these carousel rides during our childhood. I am sure we also enjoy even today if we go to a fair. And every day when I go to OT, I do remember of carousel because of the carousel technique which we commonly use for soft cataracts. So let's have a detailed look into this carousel technique. So what are the prerequisites? It is best technique for grade 0 and 1. The CCC should be at least 5 mm and the nucleus should be nicely rotating. For that, a good hydrodelineation and good hydrodissection is very important, and I prefer to do good hydrodelineation in these cases because it really gives me some advantages which I will explain now. The hydrodelineation ring really helps you to position your phaco-tip. You can see it is near the edge of the endonucleus. So it is not at the center but near the edge of the nucleus. Also you can see the bevel of the phaco-tip is down or slightly sideways. The power setting here needs to be really low because we are using it for very softer grade of cataracts, and the vacuum should be really high and flow rate also should be really high, whatever your phaco machine can allow you safely with the stable anterior chamber. So the step 1 of carousel technique is doing the debulking. So you start rotating the nucleus, and along with that you start phacoaspirating near the edge of this nucleus so that it starts rotating, and once it is debulked you can prolapse this endonucleus out and then just emulsify it quickly. So here you can see that the phaco tip need not be really deep. It should be near the edge, and as the aspiration goes on, this endonucleus gets separated from the epinucleus, and once it is free, it prolapses very easily and can be phacoaspirated without any difficulty. So that is the technique. So let's move on to a case. So you can see it is grade 0 to 1 cataract, very nice, larger CCC of around 5 to 5.5, good hydrodissection. I can see the rotation of the nucleus here, and I am doing hydrodelineation. More the number of rings, you know the cataract grade is going to be softer and the endonucleus is going to be smaller. Good nuclear rotation is very important. So once your phaco probe is in, when the anterior chamber is deep, you can rotate the nucleus both ways. You can also do by injecting viscoelastic without putting the phaco probe in, but the anterior chamber has to be deep whenever you are rotating the nucleus. That's very essential. Now take your time, position the phaco tip at the right place as shown, and now start aspirating gradually. No need to give bursts of phaco here. Just start aspirating, and you are using very high vacuum and flow rate, and as you can see the nucleus itself starts rotating. And you can also help with your left hand Sinski to rotate the nucleus, and once this endonucleus is free you can very easily aspirate it out. The P nucleus can be removed by the phaco itself. If you are confident, use this bevel down technique, keep the power 0 and just prolapse the epinucleus out and aspirate. Of course, if you are a beginner, you can use the irrigation aspiration cannula to do that. Now we saw how the carousel technique is done successfully, but let me show you what to do if it fails. This is a case of dense cortical cataract. Though it is softer, you can see it's cortical, and I have failed to produce a hydrodelineation ring here despite the attempts. So in such cases, sometimes the epinucleus and the nucleus are strongly adherent and you don't find the proper plane here, and you can see as I rotated, the nucleus did not prolapse. So in such case you can fall back upon the standard technique of trench and divide, and just divide the nucleus into pieces. It's already a softer cataract, but you need to divide the nucleus here and then aspirate it out. So whenever you are having difficulty in doing the carousel technique, you can always fall back upon the trench and divide technique. These are very soft grade cataracts, so they just need some nuclear division to allow them to aspirate. So choose the cases wisely initially. Use the cases where you can nicely do hydrodelineation and you can see the hydrodelineation rings. For very soft cataracts, it's a really good technique, very easy with hardly any complications if you use the right technique as shown here. For more such videos, you can subscribe to my channel and go through the playlist. And we also have one website called phacotraining.org.in with list of videos. So do go and visit and subscribe. Thank you so much.